Here we are, and we found a trench. And this trench is for, that's where all that dirt comes. And the trench is for the septic tank system. I don't know. That's a hell of a trench. Gotta be. I don't see no pipeline in there. Alright. Got the wire. Surely not just for that wire. And that wire better not be. I don't need a panel out in the garage now. Better not be no panel out here. No, they got okay, all that was for this. Surely that trench ain't for this. This is detached garage. Okay. It's about a 10 gauge wire, feels like. So, I guess is that security? Phone out here? I don't see where it says phone. Like a phone wire. Ain't too much going on out here because this is all it's gonna get. Yeah, I kind of missed them a couple of times there with the nails. Oh my goodness, guys. I'll hit it eventually. Just keep shooting. Keep shooting, Joe. Alright, I'm gonna keep shooting nails until I hit something. There's our shingles. I put those over the side to save. That's something to save. Maybe you have to save some little pack of shingles. Alright, so this is a hell of a mess here with all this dirt they got going on. Can't quite get out of here because of the damn big ol' ass trench. Climb out the window, huh? Alright, let's go find the property line. Alright.